Hello mga kabisaya! This video is the continuation from earlier. Kinahurot ng water with cleaner so I need to refill. And I also take out the dirty water. I clean the pipe and the hose. After I vacuum the carpet, I also clean all the exhausts. I took all the dust and all the furniture, the drawer, everywhere because as I have said earlier, boss is coming soon. He's very meticulous person, so I'll make sure. No dusts, no fingerprints or marks in the wall, the door, his furniture, and the table. Yeah. But I thank you for watching my video, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for continuing to follow me on my Facebook account and my YouTube channel. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.